how you can actually get this particular type of gold effect on your particular should I say your particular resources or your particular image. So let's go straight to what we have. So this is actually our workspace. So what we can actually do here is, firstly, let us drop down, let us have our action. So you can see my action is already here, gold action. It's actually gold, silver, and black. It has three there, so you can play each one thereafter. So firstly, when you get the file, so this is actually the file. This is what the file looks like. So you double click on it and you download. So it comes down here. So you can see I have two here. So I don't need this other one, so I have to delete it. So it is gone. So what do you do here? So from here, this aspect, let's actually drop down an image here. Let's drop down, let's make use of this hand. Yes, so this is actually the image we're making use of. So firstly, I haven't dropped down the image, so let's clear our layer, make sure that nothing is there. So I'll delete this particular solid layer. So this is, we just have only this particular layer. So what do we do here? We rename this to background, capital letter B C, background. Yes, so having named this background, the next thing you're actually going to do here is you create a new layer. To create a new layer, then you name this brush. So name this one letter BUSH. So having named this brush, then you're actually going to um, click on this particular layer, brush like this. Then you press on Control to select the image here. So you press on Control, then tap that this small box here. So you tap it, Control, then click on it. So having clicked on it like that, you see it's actually selected. So what do you do here? You go down to edit, then you go to fill. So having gone to fill, like make sure it is color, selected to color. So and make sure that your color is actually white. So let's leave it at white, then okay. Then you can actually see, okay, it has been filled with white. So what do we do here now? Go to select and then deselect. So having deselected this, so what do you do else do you do? You can actually just click on the image beneath, that's the background image. So then you go to your action layer, then click on gold. So I haven't clicked on gold like that, so you can actually play gold, or you click on this play silver. So we are playing gold alone. So let's click on OK and see the magic. So this is play. So you can actually see what is actually happening. So let's see the magic that is actually going to happen, and you see the gold effect turn up very soon. Just give it some time. Yes, voila. So this is actually the gold effect. Yeah, so very, very, very easy. So one thing I love about Action is that it simplifies and 10x your process in design. Yeah, so this is actually how to do this. So you can actually make use of black and silver, any of your choice, any one you actually like. So this is actually it. So very quickly we could make use of that of we could make use of that of the black. So let me just delete this layer, delete this, delete the code. So I uncheck this. So we have this. So let me click on silver. So I haven't clicked on silver. Then let us load. So you see the magic that is actually going to happen here. Voila, this is silver. So let me actually put a solid background beneath it so you can actually see what it has resulted into. So this is, can you see this? This is very much powerful. So when you look at especially all these CCI design, so this is how you can easily achieve this on Photoshop. So to get this access, just comment the word gold, comment the word gold, and I would actually send it to your DM. I'll drop it on the comment section how you can actually get the access. It's actually free. Yes, so it's actually free. So this is how you can get this. So you actually have black, you have gold, like that, but most especially I love using gold and black. So drop the word gold and I'll send it to your DM.